Want to speak English? Piece of cake. Let me show you.
Hello, I am David. And this is a picture of my family. This is my wife. Her name is Sarah. I have 3 kids. These are my sons, Ben and Sam. And this is Alex, my only daughter and Ben and Sam's little sister. We live in London in our big house. That is my car in the driveway. We have 2 pets. This is Alex's cat. His name is Felix. And that is my son's rabbit. Her name is Bun Bun.
Hello. My name is Alex. I have a small family. This is my father. His name is David. Next to him is my mother. Her name is Sarah. These are my big brothers, Ben and Sam. I am their little sister. We live in London in our big house. That is my parents' car in the driveway. We have 2 pets. The cat is mine. His name is Felix. And that is my brother's rabbit. Her name is Bun Bun.
Hello, my name is Bill. I have a big family. My parents have 6 children. This means I have 5 siblings, 4 sisters and 1 brother, and I'm the youngest sibling. They are all married and have their own families, and I have 15 nieces and nephews. All my sisters and my brother live in Bumatur, near my parents' house, and I live in Ho Chi Minh City. I love my big family.